Yeah, you guys. I hope everybody's keeping safe and sound. So I think the title is very much clear that I wouldn't be dancing today, and this is quite an unusual moment wherein I have people around me. So basically, they are my friends. Do you guys want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Madhav.
He's Madhav.
Hi, Avneet. Hi, Priyanka. Hi, Priya.
Hi, I'm Subha.
And that's Naseem. Naseem, you can wave hi. Okay, so basically, as I said, I wouldn't be dancing today, but there's something that's happening. There's a recent development in my life that I've been shifted. So people who do not know, I shifted to Canada last year and blah blah blah, and I've stayed in this apartment for quite a long. And unfortunately, this would be my last month. So we just gathered today, and we were just trying to give my home a final bye. But this video isn't about that. Since we gathered, we thought we'll just have a short Q&A because I'm so self-obsessed about me. So I thought this is the right time to judge how much my friends know me. So I have few questions, and yeah. So first question. I pronounce my name as Vanmali, but my name actually has to be pronounced as how?
Are you gonna answer like?
Oh wait, I have to prepare my scoreboard also. Okay, I think so.
Double you're writing the scene.
Who did I miss? I missed you.
Wow. You missed Martha
She's
also.
sitting right there.
And you missed
right
Martha
there.
also.
Okay.
I think it's about left peripheral vision.
Yeah, I guess.
How's everything?
Anyway, I'm defective PC और ढूंढ रही मेरे में. But ठीक है. हाँ. तो ठीक है. एक ज़्यादा मांगो.
Vanamali.
Oh, I think it's also Vanamali.
Vanmali.
Vanamali.
Vanamali.
She copied. You did not get it. Naseem, how do I pronounce my name?
Vanmali only. Vanmali.
Okay, so basically it's actually Vanamali, and so you'll not get it, and Naseem will not get it.
That's
No, she didn't say that.
क्या बोल रहा?
Vanmali.
No, so I pronounce my name as Vanmali, but that's not how my name has to be pronounced. It's actually Vanamali.
Vanamali.
Ma with A ka matra also. Mama.
Oh.
So sorry, Naseem 0, Priya 1, Priyanka 0, Avneet 1, Subha. I really want to give her a 0, but
Half.
Can we start the next round with Subha?
I'll do that.
Next.
Okay, second. What is my date of birth? In
I
DDLM
know.
YYYY format.
Why? Why you give me why? Okay, I can give you why.
Date, month and year, na?
Yeah.
Starting with Subha.
I'm okay with it. I can
She's
give you this
okay,
answer.
she's
Okay, she knows it's okay.
Apparently.
Okay, then start it. Hey, you start with like every different person.
No, I want to look at the papers. You guys have written. No?
Yeah, I think that makes more
Ah.
sense. You're right.
14th December 1989. 4th December
मैंने
1989.
कुछ नहीं लिखा है.
That's okay. तुझे वो benefit of doubt मिल जाएगा because obviously we'll not spend time. 4th December 1989. Naseem?
Yeah, साल भूल गए. But ये
4th December. So it is 4th December 1989. So Priya gets, Priyanka does not get, Avneet gets, Madhav!
मेरे को नहीं पता था झूठ बोल.
हाँ.
अभी तो पता चला 2 मिनट पहले.
It is
guess what did mother get?
14th December.
Oh, I got
Which-
4th.
You were
Which
close.
actually is a birthday of one of my very good friends. So next
Okay.
question. What is my educational background? Like, what did I pursue post higher secondary?
हैं?
Post higher secondary. 12वीं के बाद मैंने क्या किया लाइफ में? पढ़ाई क्या की मैंने? कनाडा क्या मुंह उठा कर आई?
Oh, whoa.
Okay, done.
Done.
Written also.
Done.
I mean, what? Yeah.
You wrote also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All my degrees you
All-
wrote.
All क्या लिखी है? यार all नहीं.
क्या मेरे को खुद ही नहीं पता अपनी इतनी सारी डिग्रीज में मैं
अरे एक सेकंड मैं मुझे सिर्फ दो
एक मेन वाला रखते हैं ना कि मेन क्या किया
अब
है.
मुंह उठा के बोलो मतलब ऐसे ला किया.
Yeah, agreed.
Please, please. I think I'll start with Naseem. Naseem तुम बता दो यार.
Did you do LLB or LLB? I
ठीक है, I'll take LLB for you. हाँ, okay.
And everybody show their papers.
And LLM.
But your major, if you did a major in masters, I don't know how that goes in law. If you did it, then it was corporate law.
Okay.
Because your work experience.
Okay.
इतना डिटेल में जाना था.
अरे मतलब डिटेल में लिखूं क्या?
नहीं ठीक है, but then she's telling me that it's LLB and it's masters in corporate laws. Okay.
मैं तेरे को बोला law and LLM. Masters in law.
लिखा है ना मैंने
Yeah.
पेपर दिखा.
ठीक है, so it is CS and LLB.
मैंने LLB यहाँ लिखा है मास्टर्स.
Okay, दिखा मेरे को.
हाँ सच में.
दिखा जब वो पेपर दिखा.
हाँ.
LLB तेरा मास्टर्स भी है और तेरा CS भी है.
हाँ मेरे को CS
LLB
नहीं
और
पता.
CS.
CSI also.
Okay, so basically it's मतलब ठीक है हम लोग bachelors तो exclude ही कर रहे हैं because bachelors of commerce, but it's yeah LLB, CS and
LLB.
I'll give it to her because it's masters in business law. It's not LLM.
Okay. Okay.
ठीक है. Next is what's my favorite color?
This is hard. I'm just going to take a very wild guess, even though I feel strong.
I hope I get it.
I am not very sure.
मैं भी sure नहीं हूँ, but
हाँ.
I'll try.
But anyway,
Blue.
Brown.
I wrote grey right now.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Naseem please.
ओ हाँ इसने एक बार येलो बोला था.
Purple बोल रही है शायद.
No, it's black.
था ना.
Anyway, moving on.
हाँ,
Just
okay.
remember something.
So you like you know my attachment with tattoos. So how many tattoos do I have on me?
Fuck, that's hard.
Yeah. How many tattoos do you have on your body? Like the entire body?
Yeah.
Of course.
Excuse me, no cheating.
हाँ
No
नहीं
cheating.
मैं इसको body check कर
हाँ,
रही
मैं-
थी.
You want to start with me?
Priya didn't start, so you start.
5.
5.
5.
I think it's 4. 2.
Naseem?
I was debating between 3 and 5.
You have to take one.
Okay, I'll go with 5.
Okay. So Naseem
It's fine.
gets it. Priya gets it.
Where is the fifth one? I know one is here.
2 on my legs, 2 on my wrist, and one,
One is
here.
yeah.
2 on your legs कौन से?
एक sisters वाला, एक वो Sagittarius
Sisters वाला दिखा. मेरे को Sagittarius वाला पता है. Oh ये मुझे याद नहीं था. Oh I didn't remember.
Madhav 5 bola na? Madhav good
Subs
boy.
also said.
Okay, next. So there's this one classical dance form that I had learned in my childhood. What is it?
I think I know this.
Nonsense.
ये क्या?
अरे
Class.
सबने लिख ली ठीक है अब नहीं.
भरतनाट्यम.
Okay, Madhav,
कथक.
you?
So my answers were Bharatanatyam and Kathak, but I'm gonna say Bharatanatyam.
Okay.
Bharatanatyam.
कथक.
Yes.
Very nice.
Okay. So कथक वाले हाथ ऊपर करो. 0 है आप लोग को sorry. So it's actually the Bharatanatyam. Kathak I
पहले
learned.
डांस लिखने वाला था.
I said Bharatanatyam.
But you said you said Bharatanatyam correct.
Here, I've written it also just in case you don't question my. Nobody believes me. Honestly.
Okay. So before I shifted to Canada, which is that one country I desperately wanted to shift and live forever.
I think I'm just gonna take a wild guess.
You want the country where you wanted to go before
Yeah.
coming to Canada.
इंडिया से कितना दूर है उतना.
यार बहुत इससे तो बड़ा करीब है, बहुत करीब है actually. It's
Okay.
close. Yeah,
Closer to India.
it's closer to India.
You
वैसे
can
लिखती
start
है.
with me.
हाँ चलो.
You want me? Okay. Start.
Dubai.
Dubai.
और मैंने भी
UAE.
UAE.
Singapore.
Singapore.
दुबई.
Dubai.
Singapore.
Yeah. Naseem.
Naseem, you can't change your answer.
Naseem, no.
But I know France was a reason.
France. I would love to, but yeah.
She's like, अब change हो गया मेरा सुन के ये answer.
No, it's actually.
तो भाई क्यों बोला सिर्फ मुझे क्यों नहीं पता था?
नहीं दुबई तो नहीं जाना था इनफैक्ट मुझे बट या आई वांटेड टू गो टू सिंगापुर. सिंगापुर वाले कौन थे तुम और
दो.
अभी
दो.
तो ये ओह
Yeah.
आई लाइक इट. ठीक है नेक्स्ट. Two of my phobias. I mean I don't know if I can call it as a phobia, but दो चीज जो मुझे legit डर लगती है जो मुझे like I get.
That's hard, yeah.
ठीक है मैं पूछ रही हूँ मदर.
एक तो तेरी तरफ कोई ऐसे पॉइंटेड चीज ऐसे
हाँ.
करे वो, दूसरा मेरे को तेरी आईज से रिलेटेड शायद ड्राइविंग.
ड्राइविंग ओके
तेरी तरफ कोई फोक या नाइफ या कुछ ऐसा करे. दूसरा I don't know.
ओके.
मैंने पानी लिखा.
बाबू ने कुछ नहीं लिखा.
मैंने लिखा क्रॉसिंग द रोड.
अच्छा शी इज रिटन क्रॉसिंग.
वो वाला पॉइंट वाला.
अच्छा पॉइंट वाला लिखा है तूने. अच्छा इसने लिखा क्रॉसिंग रोड एंड पॉइंट. ये तू चीटिंग है बट नसीम तू बोल नसीम ठीक है वो पॉइंट वाला
पॉइंटेड पिक्स लिखा था एक और दूसरा मैंने भी ड्रैगन लिखा था बेस्ड ऑन द कन्वर्सेशन टुडे
ओ ओके
I've written heights
हाइट्स ओके
and I've written chipkali.
छिपकली ओके सो बेसिकली एक है कि हाँ मुझे लाइक ऐसे पॉइंटेड चीजों से रहेगा तो डर लगता है दूसरा इज नॉट हाइट्स बट जंपिंग फ्रॉम द हाइट्स
I should
नो नो
What the fuck? What will you do
Listen.
with heights otherwise?
नहीं यार बस बुर्ज खलीफा वर्ज खलीफा सब गया है ओके अब ये लास्ट है नेम 5 friends of mine who are not present in this room and not my girlfriend
What? What is this? You
yes
Okay. 5 ना हमारे मतलब अगर 3 गए तो half
not my girlfriends.
हाँ not my one girlfriend 5 names
Oh guys.
अच्छा ठीक है 5 friends who are not in this room
गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज दोनों से
हाँ हाँ any
Thank you. Because this is unfair.
क्या मैं कैरेक्टरिस्टिक लिख सकता
okay okay
हूँ उसका हाफ मिल जाएगा
हाँ yeah I think
हाँ,
I can
ठीक है,
do
then
that.
I'll
Because
also do.
you took the efforts to at least like
हाँ.
characterize-
तो क्या लिखना है?
मेरे 5 दोस्तों का नाम
अच्छा क्या
नहीं 5 दोस्तों का नाम जो इस रूम में नहीं है
हाँ.
लिखो हाँ
मेरे को 3 ही मिले
मैंने actually लिख दिए 5.
इतनी जल्दी
Yeah.
मतलब यहाँ पे एक और एक जन नहीं आया राइट
मेरा social media presence बहुत strong है ना इसलिए
मुझे बस वो मेरे को बोलना था कि नॉन डांसर्स बट एनीवे आई थिंक यू हैव दैट बेनिफिट ऑफ
But I only kept one dancer.
when Mani you realize that I am at absolute disadvantage for this round with the exception of one friend
एवरीवन इज अ डिसएडवांटेज
यार ये बकवास है.
No, no,
This is bullshit.
नो शी इज एक्चुअली ऑन डिसएडवांटेज बिकॉज ये मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी नहीं है तो इसको सच में नहीं पता रहेगा तुम लोग को एटलीस्ट उस हिसाब से पता रहेगा
Not my problem.
It's never
तुम्हारी awareness because of
नहीं, मतलब
XYZ
friends
factors
और
come in, not my
acquaintances
problem.
फ्रेंड्स ओके
अभी मैं तो you know that
अच्छा ठीक है सुबह शुरू करना चाहती है ठीक है
एक तो है भविष्य,
हाँ ओके
एक है सुदीप्ता, ठीक है,
ओके
एक है तान्या बिकॉज
Okay.
ठीक है, फिर वो जो यार जो 2 लड़के शिफ्ट हुए हैं वो
बना तो दो लड़कियां
you said did she say characteristics चल जाएंगे जो भी कनाडा में
ठीक है मीत एंड निखिल ओके गिवन वो should
yeah what is this yeah I wrote them
yeah because you
I did the names also
But
मुझे
efforts.
advance
मैंने कहा था भविष्य सुदीप्ता हेवी बॉयज
कौन है वो
हैवी बॉयज वो बोल रहा है मेरे दोस्तों को बोल रहा है हैवी बॉयज
नहीं तूने एक दोस्त बताया था
जिसकी तेरी आवाज बहुत पसंद है तुझे
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
यार ये रिकॉर्ड जा रही है
यार हम लोग क्या
कट कर रहे हैं ना इसको कट कर रहे हैं
और निखिल
हाँ देखिए
और द 4 ही आते मैं तान्या नहीं आ रहा
हैवी वॉइस अच्छा मुझे लगा हैवी बॉयज नो आई
Heavy boys also we like.
मुझे इसका नाम एक्चुअली पता नहीं है इसलिए
हाँ नहीं थैंक गॉड
नहीं पता था
मतलब
बड़ा
ये
ये
होती दाफनी
बट 4
हाँ,
you
four.
could not think of one more यार तुझे मिल जाता तुझे
हाँ.
anyway
Okay, I could think of 3.
हाँ.
One is भविष्या, one is जो डांस में मेरे को उस लड़की का बिल्कुल भी नाम याद नहीं है. मुझे लगता है शायद वो सुदीप्ता है पर मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ. जो तूने मेरे को फोन पे बताया था लाइक
वो राम्या
नहीं नॉट राम्या राम्या नहीं.
क्या
जो
निकल
जिसमें तूने वो वाला डांस किया था यार मुझे वो गाने में चुम्मा चुम्मा दे दे वाला जिसमें the first person who was there.
okay
You said she's a really good friend of yours apart from भविष्या. वो तेरी और बहुत
oh
प्यारी दोस्त.
विजू
विजया
Oh,
विजया हाँ हाँ
okay,
हाँ
okay.
वो. और तीसरा I think I don't know the name of the guy but you keep tagging him as Wanderlust.
Yeah, that was the one I was talking about. The one you keep on
Wow,
calling.
I'm happy you
Yeah.
guessed it. I'm
Yeah, so
glad.
3. I could get
Hi.
मैंने लिखा अजय सूरज.
Hey, but I like that.
She's guessing names.
Naseem, she's actually guessed name and I like it. Ajay,
सूरज
हाँ,
यश
Yash,
अभिषेक
Abhishek.
राहुल. सारी बॉलीवुड मूवीज के सबसे कॉमन एक्टर्स के नाम लिखे.
राहुल मैंने भी लिखा था
राहुल नाम सुना होगा.
But as a matter of fact, I do know Suraj, but he is my cousin. But I have a friend named Rahul.
Of course you do.
And
Of course,
Abhishek,
Rahul
Yash and Ajay.
everybody listen everybody has a
Has
No,
some.
Rahul,
See,
Rahul.
Yash, Yeah, she's an Instagram friend. Should I give it to him?
And
Her? Three?
You told
Yeah,
it.
I would actually give it to her for my effort.
And Abhishek as well. अभी तू बता.
मैं बताऊं मीत निखिल भावेशा सुदीप्ता निधि कुणाल
हाँ.
सारी
Okay, okay.
Just cancel कर
नहीं
दो.
नहीं
हो
नहीं.
गया?
But
पाँच
yeah,
हो गया?
she gets. Priya. Naseem. Hi.
Okay, my strategy was I'm definitely going out with 0 points. मतलब एक भविष्य वाला point तो I get.
Yeah.
ठीक है, वो तो चल.
भविष्य
But
सबको
my other four names, if you are a fair person, you will give me points. But my other four names are Joey, Chandler, Phoebe, and Monica.
You get full points.
That's such a sly move.
that
Naseem is on 4.25. ताली बजाओ.
0.25 का है.
ताली बजाओ. ताली बजाओ.
yo
Woo! Priya gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 4.
तूने इतने क्वेश्चन पूछे थे 7
8 सवाल पूछे उसने
9 सवाल.
7, 1,
9 सवाल
4.
उसने
Priyanka gets 1.25.
Not
Priyanka,
bad.
I was really not expecting, yeah. Thank you so much. मतलब तूने फिर भी मेरे को तो लगा कि तू कुछ भी नहीं आएगा बेचारी को, बट फिर भी. अवनीत 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ताली बजाओ. ताली बजाओ. ताली बजाओ. सुबह हंसती रहे तू हंस. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 4.
Yes. Naseem से ज़्यादा है.
Madhav 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you guys. मैं पहले बोल देती हूँ.
माधव ओह अच्छा प्रिया.
फिर भी नहीं जीतेगी.
अच्छा एक टाई ब्रेकर हो जाएगा. टाई ब्रेकर नहीं, जस्ट अ
What
क्वेश्चन
the fuck, man?
for Naseem and Subha.
Okay, fine.
This or that. It's a this or that, okay?
Okay.
It's a this or that. Naseem and Subha.
बोल.
Okay, so would I rather be on space or would I rather be in water?
Water.
Okay, अभी मेरे पास ज़्यादा सवाल नहीं है. मेरे पास both of you one.
Because you're a water baby.
Yeah, I'm a water baby. I don't have many
but you
questions.
like space
Oh yeah. Oh, God. You guys want to say something?
Yeah.
Thank you for.
नहीं ऐसा
I
फॉर्मेट वाला
think
thank you
Priyanka
नहीं.
should
Is
say
there
उसको
anything
कैसा
else?
लगा मेरे दोस्त ने
यार मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा I got to know Vanmali more and
would you recommend this course to other people
that's a very good way to know each other
Yeah.
ना
Yeah, I feel so. I
हाँ.
feel so. तुमको
Yeah.
कैसा लगा?
हमें बहुत मजा
यार, ये
आया.
बहुत
It was
fun था.
really fun.
हाँ.
और I really feel bad कि मुझे तेरा 5th वाला tattoo भूल गया. I feel so
हाँ.
bad. I feel
honestly
so
मेरे को
bad.
4 याद थे. ये वाला मुझे
मेरा
एकदम
one
स्ट्राइक किया कि
अब
long
क्योंकि
term
वो उसके बाल हटा हटा के चेक कर
नहीं क्योंकि मुझे जनरली पता है कि बहुत सारे बंजारा के लोगों का मैंने ये देखा है तो मुझे एकदम से वो याद आया.
Oh,
ये बात.
okay. You have to say something?
Yeah. I just feel that I deserve more points. But otherwise, it was fun.
Okay. I totally loved it. She's like, I won, I am done.
You could have just asked where is my special present.
Yeah, and I deserve a prize.
But तुझे बोलना पड़ेगा कुछ. ऐसे ही कुछ. I totally loved it type.
I thought that the entire evening was really fun in terms of like even the painting and just like hanging out. और ये वाला round was, I mean मेरे को पता है कि तुमने उसे 25 बार introduce किया with being self-obsessed, but I actually think that was a very good round. Like,
Thank you.
That's really interesting in terms of what we observe in people versus what we factually like. You know,
That's
like,
true.
details you know or don't.
Yeah.
It was really fun.
I enjoyed it too. Okay, that was it. Thank you so much, and you want to wave a bye?
Bye.
And bye house too.
Bye.
Bye to this second step in your journey in Canada.
Oh yes.
We hope that
guys,
you keep
this
on
is
getting.
the HR. This is the HR.
We genuinely hope that you keep on growing beyond this
Okay.
point and keep finding spaces that make you happy.
Yeah, and you get more screen time now, right? Okay, bye.